So welcome everyone to the Compliance Weekly for the 29th of the 7th, 25. I'll share the milestone board. We'll go through the closed issues first. So I believe the last one was the monitor. So the next up is featured flag cleanup with Hitesh. I think that speaks for itself. So we'll swing past that one. Next one was revert backend change handling source ID. I think this is related to the recent ADR that we made around changing the way that we are mirroring or copying frameworks across from the CSP group. So I think there was already a change in production, and this was just reverting that change. Next one was add audit event details in the sidebar with Scott. But Sam, do you want to talk to it?
Yeah, this is all the audit event details that show up. I think it also added a slight backend change so we can have more change to output the details in JSON format as well. And that helped to parse all the details out there in a easier fashion.
Cool. And the final one was add the ability to link compliance violations to issues. Hitesh.
So we added mutations and queries for linking, unlinking, and listing issues related to a violation.
Fantastic. Anything else anyone wants to discuss on here? No. Go over to the planning issue then. First one is sales with Hasima.
Yes. So I've created the MR for offset pagination and it's in review right now. After that, I will just integrate the controllers with it and uh, that will help us just turn on the feature flag and we will be ready to go ahead.
Nice. Next was John with instance level compliance management. Don't know if anyone else is able to speak to progress here. No, I believe that the sync or mirroring engine has been merged now, and the API's backend work is all in review. Next up is linking violations, who's Afa and Sam.
Go ahead.
Yeah, from the backend side, I think everything is merged. A couple of issues in verification. The feature flag was rolled out globally a couple of days ago. We can still wait for a couple of weeks until the front end is complete before removing the feature flag from the backend. And from the actual mapping stuff, right as of now we just have the existing violations that we were recording in the previous report, the old report. We're not capturing any new violations, and I'm not sure if we would have time for doing that in the future, given the AI work that we've started working on. So, yeah. So all in all, I mean, even if we roll this out globally, we don't lose any functionality that users had previously, other than the fact that they would have to optionally choose and apply compliance frameworks and that have these controls attached to their frameworks. Because previously we were just capturing violations for every merge request and for every project, which we won't be doing now. Other than that, I don't think we miss any functionality, but also we haven't added any new functionality, any new violations.
Yeah. One more thing that's still pending on backend, I have an MR up for that I'll put in for review soon, is for exporting the new violations. I still want to tie it into the UI and then I'll open up the MR for that one. Have it working locally. So that shouldn't be too big of a stretch. Front end wise, we still need to add the linking, and I think commenting is also still open for violations, and if I'm not sure if filtering got merged or not.
Not much.
Yeah, that's also open on front end side to implement that.
Right, thanks for the update. There's a couple of items in the discussion. First one was from me, which was just to fill out the 18.2 retro, if you could please do that. And the next one was from John, who just has 2 merge requests here that need to get reviewed for this CSP stuff. They need both reviews, so any help would be much appreciated if anyone's able to jump in and help. I know there's people being asked, but feel free to take over if there's anything there. Cool. Anything else from anyone? Otherwise, I'll stop the recording.